Good morning, guys. This is Pushpak Raj, and today's topic is on what is the Agile methodology, how it is work. So, Agile methodology is used in day to day in maximum organizations in the IT sector. So, in the Agile methodology, first one is the stakeholder. Stakeholder is the topmost body. Stakeholder is also known as a client who can giving a requirement to the project owner. Project owner is the topmost of the organization who can gathering all the requirement present on the stakeholder, and he can create the one document that is known as a project backlog. Okay, so whatever the requirement is nothing but what? Requirement is nothing but, suppose the client want to develop one application. So the requirement is like that, I want the application in this way, like I want a login page in that way, I want a home page in that way, so whatever the module inside of that home page in that way. So he will giving the requirements. I want, suppose there is a banking application, so I want account page is here, I want balance page is here, I want transaction page is here, and in that way. So he will give us the requirement, means I want the application in that design structure. So the project owner, what they do, he can gathering all the requirement from him, and he can create the one document that is known as a project backlog. So all the requirement related to the project are present in the project backlog. Once all the requirement are gathered in the project backlog, then next step is the estimation. Estimation is nothing but the sprint planning meeting. All the team members, Scrum Master, Project Owner are present in this meeting. The motto of this meeting is to make a plan how to create the project according to that requirement. So whatever the requirement are present in the project backlog, that are sorted here in this meeting, that are sorted the requirement which are required for development of the project. Okay, so once the all the requirement are sorted here, whatever the requirement are sorted, requirement is nothing but the user stories. That user stories are explained by the project owner. Why he explained? Because he had no the idea about whole project. So that's why he can explain that user story in front of all team members like project owner, scrum master, development team, or testing team. In front of all, project owner can explain that user stories. And the scrum master can allocate that user story. Once the project owner part is done, then the scrum master part is going on. Scrum master is below of the project owner who can allocate that user stories. Allocated means who they can assign that user stories on the basis of three things, that is knowledge, effort, and complexity. Knowledge means, suppose this application is regarding to the investment banking domain, or this application is regarding to the banking domain, or this application is regarding to the healthcare domain or telecom domains. According to that, whatever the particular knowledge of the particular team members have according to that domain, so according to on the basis of that, he can allocate that user stories. Then next term is complexity. Complexity means how much complex the application is. Then efforts means how much effort will be required to do that work. Effort do that work. Okay, then next one is the sprint backlog. So whatever the user story are sorted here, that are present in the sprint backlog. That sprint backlog is also created by the project owner. Okay guys, then I'm already told you what is the user story. Okay, so all the user story are present in the sprint backlog. User story is nothing but what? User story is nothing but the description, exception criteria, and snapshots. Then last one is the test case design. So that part is done by the testing team. Means once we getting the user stories, we can try to understand that user stories. If we have any doubt regarding that, we can in the team we can clear that doubt, and on the basis of that we can create the test cases and test design. Thank you guys. If you like that videos, please like it, subscribe it. I can create all the videos regarding the manual testing in this channel. Thank you guys. Have a great day.